constant, with no beginning nor end. But this finding of the Big Bang Theory invalidates this dogma, the dogma of constant universe. Okay, so Alhamdulillah, glory be to Allah. Now, scientists believe that the whole universe is started from almost zero. It started from almost zero. It means that the whole universe was nothing, and Allah, the Almighty, created it. This information information in the Quran, this verse from the Quran came to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, 14 centuries ago. There was no cosmology like the modern cosmology today in order to explain the creation of the whole universe. Nothing like that. And you will be able to listen to some scholars who are describing the Quran in beautiful words. And they are ready to take the Quran as a book for them in order to explore the universe. Okay, so after the description of the origin of the whole universe from an elementary body according to the modern cosmology, and as we found in the Quran that the heavens and the earth were one entity and Almighty Allah separated them, so we come to a common knowledge that really the whole heavens and earth were one entity according to the Quranic verse. And according to modern cosmology, the same thing. The whole universe is started from an elementary body which equals to almost zero. Okay? After that, Allah said in the Quran, ثم استوى إلى السماء وهي دخان فقال لها وللأرض ائتيا طوعا أو كرها قالتا أتينا طائعين. كانتا رتقا ففتقناهما. They were one connected entity and Allah the Almighty separated them. Now Allah tells us that the whole universe was a smoke. The corresponding meaning of this verse from chapter Fussilat, verse number 11, is this. Then he turned to the heaven when it was smoke. When it was smoke. And said to it and to the earth, come both of you willingly or unwillingly. It's not your choice. You have to obey my order. Willingly or unwillingly. They both said, we come willingly. Now, the whole universe is smoke. Smoke. Some scientists try to describe this smoke as mist. You are familiar with mist. Other scholars said, no, it should not be described as mist. Why? Because mist must be cold. However, smoke must be hot. And this is the origin. After they describe the Big Bang Theory and the smoke coming from this Big Bang, the smoke must be what? Hot. So, the right description for this is not mist, but smoke. Because after the explosion, as they described it, okay, the smoke was very, very hot. Very, very hot. And it cooled down with time. With time, it cooled down. So the right description is smoke, not mist. And you will be able to listen to some scholars who supported the smoke, not the mist, in describing the beginning of the universe from smoke. Okay. This verse indicates that the origin of the universe was smoke. After being one entity, separated, and formed what? Smoke. Then from smoke, galaxies and other bodies of the universe formed. Formed from this big cloud of smoke. Okay. Let's go to see what does the modern cosmology say about this dogma of smoke. It's the science of modern cosmology states clearly that the origin of the whole universe was a cloud of smoke composed of highly dense and hot gases and particles. Who said this? The modern cosmologists. The modern cosmology tells us that the whole universe was a cloud of smoke. This smoke is composed of what? Of hot gases and particles. From this, the whole bodies of the universe were formed. Okay. Now, the modern cosmology, using modern instruments like sophisticated telescopes, are able to detect some of these remnants, some remnants of the original smoke. Some remnants of the original smoke. And from these remnants, new stars are formed. New stars are formed. Such as this. New stars are formed from the remnants of that smoke. Like this picture. You see? This is a remnant of the original smoke after the Big Bang theory. After the Big Bang. This is the remnant of that smoke. You see, new star is formed from that remnant.
Yes.
Yes. And this is a picture taken by sophisticated telescope. And this is published in a book named The Space Atlas by Heather and Hembest, page number 50.
This formation is still nowadays. Is the remnants created more?
Yeah, they are continuing. Yes. So, they are able, nowadays, to detect some remnants of the original smoke from which the universe started. And they are able to detect new stars to form from such remnants.